My name is Danielle.
My name is Cassidy.
We love you, Glama!
Oh, I love you too, Glama girls. Hi everyone, welcome back. So today I am going to make a video about something I promised you a long time ago. When I got my Bellamy silver hair extensions, I told you that I would show you how I put them in. So yay, that's what we're going to do today. I'm going to show you how to put in my 24-inch Bellamy Samantha hair extensions. And then afterwards I thought I would just show you the outfit that I'm wearing, because the reason why I even put makeup on and got dressed is because I'm going to make a video for a possible documentary called Gray is the New Blonde. And so I'm going to go ahead and make a video and introduce myself to the person that is making the documentary. So yay! Alrighty, I will just get right to it. Okay, so before we get started, I wanted to show you up close what extensions look like, because I know that whenever I watched videos when I was doing research as to which ones I wanted to buy, they always just showed it really fast but didn't show it up close and what it really looked like and how they open and stuff. But what it is, it's just a curved little clip that you pop open, and you see how it opens up, and that's how it grabs onto your hair. And then once it grabs onto your hair, you close it up. But yeah, I wanted to show you this close up because I never did watch a video where they showed it close up and showed exactly how it clips in. They would show it from far away but never from close up. So I wanted to show you what it looks like close up and personal. Alright, let's get started. I'm not going to put all the wefts in my hair just for time purposes. And it gets really heavy, so I do love the fullness with all the wefts in my hair, but it really is really heavy. Okay, so I'm going to start off with the 2-clip weft because it's narrow, and you start off down on the bottom at the nape of your neck where it is narrower. It narrows down by the nape of your neck, and then it goes wider as you go up towards your ears. So I'm going to start off with the 2-clip weft. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up. Okay, so I'm going to use this clip for right now and this comb. So what I do is I grab my hair, I get the majority of it out of my way. Okay, so I just grab it from my ears, get it out of the way, and then clip it up. But this is what it looks like from behind. I don't think this clip is going to work. Okay, so from behind, I'm going to go ahead and turn around and now grab your hair extension. And what some people do is they grab their hair right here and they tease it like that. I don't usually tease mine, but if you want, you can tease it. If you have thin hair, you can tease it so that the clip has something to hold on to. My hair's pretty thick, so I'm not going to really tease mine for the rest of this. So what you do is you get as close to where you parted your hair, try to center it, and then just kind of push, like go upwards like this, and then push downward, push down, and then clip it. Okay, kind of angle up and then clip it, and there it is, it's in. I don't know if I centered it, but there's one in. And so now take your hair down, and now I am going to once again grab from where my ears are. I'm not going to put too many in, so it's not going to probably look its best. I'm going to just clip that up, turn around, and I think I'm going to use the 3 weft extension. Okay, so these are already opened. All right, now I'm going to brush it out. Start with the center clip and put it at the center of your head, and then start off to one side. Do the same thing. And there we go. There's that. Alright, so I'm just going to continue And now I'm going to grab from like about right here, the temple. And I'm going to grab a 4 clip weft. And actually what I did is I clipped the 2 4 wefts together. And I clipped this one onto this one, and I'm just going to put them in like that. Okay. So get the 2 center ones, center it where you want. Push it in. Push it in. Go to this side, push it in, and there you go. And I hope it was focused. Okay, so there we have it so far. Let me zoom out a little bit, and I'm probably going to get closer and I'll put in some side ones, but I can do that close up, I think. Just a second. So this is what it's looking like so far. This is what it looks like from the back. I haven't brushed it yet, so I'm sure it looks pretty messy, but this is what it's looking like so far. Okay, all right, I'm gonna sit up closer now. I just noticed, I watched back the other part, and I noticed that when I was putting in the 4 clip weft that it was out of focus. I'm sorry, but I think the 2 and the 3 one was in focus, so you got the idea of how to clip it in. So anyway, the reason why you don't really want to stick with just putting them in the back, you want to put something on the side, is because if you have shorter hair, layers are good, but this looks too choppy right here, so we want to add some over here on the side. So I still have a 3 clip weft, a 2 clip weft, and like 4 1 clip wefts. So I think I'm going to put a 3 clip weft here, and maybe the 2 clip here, and if I need to fill in anywhere, then I'll use the 1 clip weft. So I think I'm almost using all the wefts after all. All right, so this is, if you're wondering, because I don't usually keep both sides of my hair in the front like that, but I know a lot of girls do. And so this is what it looks like if you do wear your hair like that. You can pretty much part your hair in the back, and it shouldn't be obvious, other than the fact that I have black hair and the extensions are silver. But you can part your hair, and you can't really see where the clip part is. So yeah, I think that's pretty cool. All right, so this is how I usually wear my hair. I usually put it all to the side, and I don't know, I kind of wear it like a coat. That's how I always used to wear it when it was my natural dark hair. I would always just kind of swoop it to one side and just kind of wear it like a scarf. All right, so I'm gonna use a 3 clip weft right here, and so I always part my hair to the I part it on the left and swoop it over this way. Someone asked me yesterday when I was doing my coppery orange makeup look, my fall look, had I ever thought about parting it the other way, and I told her that the reason why I don't part it this way is because I tend to play with my hair a lot, and since I'm right-handed, it's just easier to swoop my hair this way and straighten it out, smooth it out and stuff. So that's why I never part it on this side. Anyway, I'm gonna part it there now. All right, so I'm gonna put it about, right here. Here's where the 4 clip weft is. I don't know if you can see it. It's right there. So I'm gonna put, you can probably hear the baby crying. I'm gonna put it like right about right there. I'm gonna part it here. And just clip this right here. And this is already open. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the center clip right about right there. And then I'm going to bring this one forward, clip that in, and the 3rd one back here. Okay, so there's that. So that automatically, see how it doesn't look as choppy now? So I'm still going to put probably a 2 clip weft somewhere. So probably about right here, I'll part my hair. Okay, my battery's about to die. I hope it lasts long enough to finish this. Okay, So I think instead I'm going to save the 2 clip weft for this side, and I've got some 1 clip wefts right here. Let me put a couple of those in instead. So open that up, and right about here I'll put one in, and I'll put one in about maybe, and I'm going to angle it this way so that it doesn't, if it goes like that, it looks kind of fake. I like to angle it a little bit towards the front. There. So let's see what that looks like. Okay, so there's what we're looking at so far. And it's looking better. See how it looks real nice and smooth now? And these little hairs right here, that's fine. I actually like how that looks like that because gives you a little bit of a wave there. All right, so now I'm gonna do this side really fast because my battery's about to die. All right, so on this side, I can't go up too high because you'll see it. So I'm going to put the 2 clip weft over here. And as you can see, the part doesn't have to be perfect. So, okay, I'm going to put them in. I'm going to put this one about right there. I don't want it too close to the front of my face because I want my natural hair to be the prominent thing that you see. So there's that. Gosh, I think I'm using all the clips. No, I'm not going to use the 2 1-clip wefts. That's all I didn't put in. So you pretty much saw me putting everything in. All right, so now I'm going to brush it and turn around and let you look at it. So hopefully I did it well enough where they don't show. It's easier for them to not show if you don't use all the clips, if you don't go up so high, if you don't use all the clips, all the wefts. But let me brush this out. I miss my long hair. All right, so let me turn around here in a second. So here they are from far away. This is what it looks like. See? Yay! I love my hair. Yay! Okay guys, I'm gonna go ahead and show you my outfit of the day today. Nothing special, just this is kind of what I would wear, like just to go to Walmart, go shopping or grocery shopping or something like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and step back and just show you what I'm wearing today. Alright, this is what I'm wearing, and I really am loving this long sweater. I got it on sale at Walmart for $12. It was normally $24. And I snagged it at a steal at $12. Yeah, so I love it. And I paired it with a gray V-neck t-shirt. Has a little pocket right here. Yeah, and I got this on sale also for $5 at Walmart. I love Walmart. And I just paired it with some jeggings that I also got, you guessed it, at Walmart. $3. And I've got some little booties from Payless. And I'll put a picture somewhere in here of a more close-up view of the little booties. Yeah, they tie, and I love them, and they're really comfortable. Woohoo! And I'm wearing a long little necklace here. It's a watch necklace, so I couldn't decide between this right here, this necklace, or this one. Couldn't decide what to wear it with. So let me know which necklace you like better in case I decide to wear this outfit out again. You can tell me which looks better. This one or the other one, or both. Let's see what it would look like with both. I don't know, that might be a bit much. And I've got on some little earrings here. I'll tuck this one in and leave this one. And of course, I love this handbag. Adam got it for me at Payless. It's a Christian Siriano bag. I love it. He got it for me last winter. It's my go-to handbag. I have so many handbags, but for some reason, I like this. I like the monochromatic colors. I think that's what it's called, right? Monochromatic. So I love it. Yes. Let's go shopping. And if I were to take off the sweater, it looks a little sportier. So if you take off the sweater and pair it with a pair of tennis shoes, then yeah, you're ready to go. Here we go. This is without, so it's a little sportier, like I said. And of course you can leave it with the booties, or you can throw on some sneakers. But yeah, this is it. I just like to be comfortable, and I like things that are a little baggier just because I'm a little bit overweight. So yeah, this is it, guys. Alright, let me know how you like this outfit. So I think I'll put this back on because it's actually a little chilly. The other day I made a video of my coppery orange fall makeup look, and I said it was 78 degrees. Well, last night it was freezing. There was actual ice on the truck this morning, my husband said, when he got up to go to work. So yeah, all right, I'm gonna say goodbye. So yeah, let me know if you like these type of videos where I show you the outfit of the day, and I will continue to do these for you. Next time I will show you the get ready with me makeup as well as the outfit of the day that I'm going to be going out in. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoyed how to clip in your hair extensions and my outfit of the day. This is how I like to dress, nice and comfy, and yeah. Alrighty guys, don't forget how much I love you. Don't forget to love yourselves and everyone you come in contact with. Bye! Mwah!
Thank you for watching our Glama's channel.